Hey, what's up everybody? It's Addis Abibi. Today we're diving into a very important topic for those interested in finance and investment. How to start investment banking in Ethiopia, step by step. Investment banks play a crucial role in modern economies, acting as intermediaries between companies seeking capital and investors. Now Ethiopia's economy is growing rapidly, and with that growth comes a surge in demand for sophisticated financial services, creating a prime opportunity for investment banking. This means there's a huge demand for financial expertise to guide them through the intricacies of investment, expansion, and capital raising. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps to start your own investment bank in Ethiopia, from understanding the regulatory landscape to building a winning team. Alright, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of setting up shop, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what investment banking actually is. At its core, investment banking is all about connecting the dots in the financial world. You've got companies, big and small, that need capital to grow, expand, or maybe acquire another company. On the flip side, you have investors, individuals, and institutions with money who are looking for profitable investment opportunities. Investment banks act as the bridge between these two. They help companies raise capital by issuing stocks or bonds, they structure mergers and acquisitions, and they provide expert financial advice. Now, within investment banking, you have two main areas: corporate finance and advisory services. Corporate finance is all about helping companies raise capital, whether it's through issuing stock, issuing bonds, or securing loans. Advisory services are more about providing expert guidance on big financial decisions like mergers, acquisitions, and strategic financial advice. Now, let's get down to the brass tacks of setting up your investment bank in Ethiopia. The first crucial step is understanding the regulatory environment. In Ethiopia, the financial sector is regulated by the National Bank of Ethiopia, or the NBE. The key piece of legislation you need to be familiar with is the Financial Institutions Proclamation, which outlines the licensing requirements for financial institutions, including investment banks. The NBE wants to ensure that only serious players with solid financial backgrounds and a deep understanding of the market can enter the game. You'll need to meet stringent capital requirements, which basically means demonstrating that you have enough cash on hand to cover potential losses. You need a rock-solid business plan that outlines your target market, your revenue model, and your risk management strategy. Once you understand the rules of the game, you can position yourself for success. Alright, so you've got a grasp on the regulatory landscape. Now it's time to talk about your target market. Who are you going to serve with your investment banking expertise? Ethiopia offers a diverse range of potential clients, each with unique needs and opportunities. First off, you've got your corporate clients. These are established businesses looking to expand their operations, acquire other companies, or raise capital for new ventures. Then you've got the exciting world of private equity and venture capital. These firms are always on the lookout for promising startups and high-growth companies to invest in. And let's not forget about individual investors, high-net-worth individuals looking to grow their wealth through strategic investments. The key here is to identify your niche, become an expert in that area, and build a reputation for delivering exceptional results. Okay, so you've got a handle on the regulations and you've identified your target market. Now it's time to create the blueprint for your investment bank, the business plan. First and foremost, your business plan needs to clearly outline the services you're going to offer. Will you focus on mergers and acquisitions, debt and equity financing, or maybe a combination of both? Be specific about your areas of expertise. Next up, you need a rock-solid marketing strategy. How are you going to reach your target clients? Will you rely on networking, attending industry events, or maybe building an online presence? Now let's talk about the money, your revenue model. Investment banks typically generate revenue through fees, which can be structured in different ways, such as a percentage of the deal value for mergers and acquisitions, or a fixed fee for advisory services. You need to determine how much money you'll need to cover your startup costs, operating expenses, and maybe even hire a small team. Alright, you've got your business plan, you've secured funding, now it's time to build your dream team. In the world of investment banking, your people are your greatest asset. First and foremost, you need financial analysts, the brains behind the operation. These are the folks who will crunch numbers, analyze financial statements, and evaluate investment opportunities. Next up, You'll need traders who can execute trades on behalf of your clients. And let's not forget about your advisors, the seasoned veterans who will provide expert guidance to your clients. Look for individuals with extensive experience in investment banking, mergers and acquisitions, or corporate finance. You also need a solid support team, legal experts, compliance officers, and administrative staff to keep the wheels turning smoothly. In the world of investment banking, it's not just about what you know, it's about who you know. Building strategic partnerships and networking like crazy are essential for success. Think about it. You're entering a market where relationships are paramount. Companies and investors want to work with people they trust, people who have a proven track record, and people who can open doors. One of the smartest moves you can make is to establish partnerships with local and global banks. These partnerships can give you access to a wider pool of clients, resources, and expertise. But it's not just about banks. You also want to network with corporations, government entities, and industry leaders. Attend industry events, conferences, and seminars, get your name out there, shake hands, exchange business cards, and build genuine relationships. Offer value, share your expertise, and be genuinely interested in helping others. You've put in the work, you've built your team, you've established key partnerships. Now it's time to officially launch your services and start making a name for yourself in the Ethiopian market. But remember, simply opening your doors isn't enough. You need a strong brand identity that sets you apart from the competition. What makes your investment bank unique? What values do you stand for? Craft a compelling brand message that resonates with your target clients. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Build a professional website that showcases your services, your team, and your expertise. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and share valuable insights. Word-of-mouth referrals are pure gold in the investment banking world. Deliver exceptional results for your clients, exceed their expectations, and they'll become your biggest advocates. Congratulations, your investment bank is up and running, but the journey doesn't end there. Now it's time to focus on growth and expansion. The first step is to constantly monitor your performance. Are you meeting your financial goals? Are your clients satisfied with your services? Track your key performance indicators, analyze your successes and failures, and make adjustments along the way. As you gain experience and build a solid reputation, you can start expanding your service offerings. Maybe you started out specializing in mergers and acquisitions, but now you see an opportunity to offer debt financing as well. And don't be afraid to think big. Consider regional expansion. Ethiopia is a growing market, but there are also opportunities in neighboring countries. As you scale your operations, maintain a laser focus on delivering exceptional results for your clients. Starting an investment bank in Ethiopia may seem like a daunting task, but with a clear business plan, strategic partnerships, and a focus on market needs, you can carve out a successful niche in this growing sector. By understanding the regulations, assembling a talented team, and offering valuable services, you'll be on your way to establishing a successful investment banking operation in Ethiopia. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your investment banking journey in Ethiopia. I have no doubt that with hard work, dedication, and a bit of hustle, you can achieve your goals. Now go out there and make it happen.